What's good YouTube, it's your bike Anson and I'm back again with another video. So today we are going to do another property tour, and this one is like 2 apartments. So this one is actually almost completed, it's almost finished, and it's 2 living rooms and 2 rooms as well, and all the rooms are in suites. So come with me and let's tour the other one. This one is actually half completed, so the painting is not yet done, but then it's almost completed. So this one also has like the living room, and your room too is also in suites. Has your bathroom, your kitchen and everything. So this house is actually located at Kasoa and it's not too far from the highway, and it's going for a price of just 650,000 Ghana. So don't you think this price is actually very good for a house in Ghana now? So make sure you start talking to your bank so you get this property right here. So for now, let's begin with the tour. Okay, so you're going to begin the tour right here. So you have this metallic gate for your security and everything. So you have this walkway, so let's check it out. So this can be like your walkway. You can keep some of your stuff here, maybe your chairs or anything. And right here you have like your kitchen and everything. So here can be your kitchen. You can put your stove here, your microwave, like anything you need for the kitchen here. And right next to the kitchen you have your hall here, and you have this Turkish doors which are actually very strong for your security. So let's walk inside. So yes, this is your hall. You have everything here. The hall is actually very spacious, and you can keep your TV somewhere here. You can keep your chairs here and everything. So yes, so right here you can keep your fridge here, your tables, like anything, and the hall is actually very spacious. So you have this door that leads to your room, and this door leads to your so there will be like a door here that can lead you straight to your bathroom. So let's check out this place first. Yes, so this side actually leads you to your bathroom, your toilet here, your bathroom here, and there will be a door fixed here as well for you. So this door leads you right to your room. So if you're in the room and you just want to go straight to the bathroom, you don't have any problem. So you have a door here, and this door just comes right here to your room. So this is actually your room, very spacious. You already have an AC fixed there. You also have a fan too as well. And the windows are also very spacious. You have your burglar proof here to your security. And you also have this door right here. So this door leads you straight into the hall. So in case you want to go to the hall, you don't need to pass the bathroom. You just need to pass here straight into the hall, which is actually very good. And I also like the design of the tiles here in the bathroom. The tiles are actually really good. So that's for the first part of the apartment, your living room and your bedrooms. Now let's go to the second apartment. Okay, so that's for the first part of the apartment. Now we'll move straight to the second part. The second part is actually not yet completed, but then it's actually half completed. So let's move straight into this side. So you have a walkway here. You also have this walkway here, so you can put some chairs here as well. So here is actually going to be your kitchen. And yes, your kitchen, your storeroom, or anything. And it's currently locked now, so we'll not be able to tour them. But then it's the same size as the one here. So let's move straight here. So here is actually going to be like your living room, which is spacious enough. And you have this place, which will be like for your ventilation, your windows, and everything. So now when you come here, you have this place is going to be like where you keep like the guest toilet. So when you come here, you have your bedroom here. So you have 2 places that you can keep your windows, this and this, which is actually very good. So here you also have your bathroom, yes, and the bathroom is actually very spacious, really spacious. And you have this side, which is going to be like for ventilation as well. Okay, so right now we're going to check out the first floor. So you have this stairs that takes you right to the first floor. I like the fact that the stairs are actually very steep. So if you grow old, you don't have any problem. They are really steep. So this side takes you straight to the first floor. And like I said, the foundation of this house was actually very deep. It was designed in a way that you can actually add 2 more floors to the building. So yes, and for the first floor, the floor has actually been done already, so you don't have any problem. So in case you want to add another floor, either 1 floor or 2 floors, it's actually going to be very easy for you. And as you guys can see, the environment is actually very peaceful and serene as well. And as I said, this house is going for 650,000 Ghana cedis, and it's actually negotiable. So I'll put the contact details in the description. Make sure you start drawing your budget and talking to your bank and everything. Because if you are looking for an investment opportunity, this might be the right choice. If you guys are fans of real estate, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next video.